They say timing is everything. A single stroke can change the entire landscape. Life, a mosaic of moments, each second a chance encounter, every tick of the clock, a dance with destiny. We navigate our hues, painting solitary paths, often unaware that another soul is just a brushstroke away. And this, in the midst of the ordinary, the extraordinary whispers. Two paths converge, and the picture changes. Meeting the right person at the right time is like discovering a new color. Suddenly, the world seems richer, fuller, more alive. It's not just the conversation that flows, it's the silent understanding, the sharing of laughter that echoes in the lines we draw together. Time is no longer a measure but a symphony. Each note, a shared experience, every rhythm, a heartbeat entwined. Through the rough sketches, the smudged errors, the masterpiece takes form, not despite but because of the imperfections. The journey ahead is a canvas, vast and unknown. Hand in hand, color in color, the story continues. Bold, bright, and boundless.